Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 11M Pro with black internals. Alright, let me just go ahead and get right into the video. Let's see. Yes, the plastic wrap. Now time for the very satisfying part. There we go. The fake credit card. Alright, let's see. Here is the cube itself. That's always satisfying. Let's see the turning. Wait, actually pretty good. I think my last one wasn't as good, but as you can see, it's not the UV coated one. I do have a UV coated one, as you can see. Overall they're about the same. Alright, so now let's get the accessories. Right here are the this is the accessory box. Alright. The GAN bag. Well, it's always the same. We've all seen the GAN bag. We have the adjustment box, which is always the same. Magnets, the adjustment tool, the stuff that goes in the center caps that no one uses. Alright, let's put that to the side. Oh yeah, yes, here it is, the sword. And the pamphlets. Alright, let's put all that stuff to the side. Now, time for the setup of the GAN 11M Pro. Alright, now time for the setup. I'll be using Lunar, Mystic, and Weight 3. First up, we're going to want to do, you want to kind of open it like that, and then you put Weight 3 in the feet, or if you really want to, you could take it apart, like so. You'd have to take an edge and a corner out. You would put the Weight 3 on there, and then put it back in. But what I like to do instead is to just open the Weight 3 up, open this up like that, and then let it drip a little bit, like few drops, about 3 I would say is a good amount. Then you close it up. I'm going to break it in. Alright, next you're going to want to get some Lunar, or DNM37 will also work if you have that. Open it up. Then you're going to want to put it on the surface where the cube pieces rub. Close that. And finally, you're going to put some Mystic, where you put, well, to apply the Mystic, you'd have to do this. You put about a drop right there. Then you're going to want to pull the corner up and close it on top. Wipe all the excess lube. Close this. And then break in all the lube. Once you've broken the lube in, you can either use the tools to adjust it, or you can just use your hands, because it is hand adjustable, as most people actually don't know. I like to put it on maglev setting, or on compression setting 3. I like to put the setting right there in the middle on the 3. I don't know if you can see it. So you just push it down and twist it like that, so it's facing, pointing at the 3. Then I usually have this at about maglev setting 'kay, that's when it goes back up and it's level with it, that's level 1. One turn is 2. Wait, that would be 1. Another turn is 2. One more is 3. 3 is usually about the best setting. Oops, technical difficulties. These settings allow for pretty good corner cutting overall, but I can do better. Next, what you're going to want to do is adjust the magnet settings. I mean, if you want to. I prefer setting 1, but setting 2 is pretty good, I would say. And I think I'll do 1 solve.